I get bread, you can't even get a bread roll. I see by myself.
What is up, guys? Sorry for the uploads. It's Shabs here with another video, and today we are gonna be restoring old plastic trim. Now, I'm not sure if you've seen, but anytime I video my car, there's like some pieces that are like old looking. Now, I went out and I went to get this thing called Dr. Simmons. It's like this plastic restorer thingy. It's just like an in-between video, just so you guys know that I'm still doing me. But yeah, I've been ordering exhausts. I've been ordering a lot of stuff, bro, a lot of mods. But there's just been problem with shipping, and then it has to get all my money got refunded, and it's like annoying because like I'm trying to get parts and I can't get parts, and I don't want no secondhand parts from any other Clio because like I'm not saying it's bad, but that's just not my style. So basically, wait, let me go get it. And I'm back. Okay, cool. So my bad. It's not Dr. Simmons. It's just this. It's called Simmons Back to Black and Bumper Trim. Basically, how to do it? You just put it on a clean and dry surface. Then you just spray directly onto the surface, or on a clean cloth, and then you just apply it. And you wipe over the surface for like an even finish. It's not too bad. Pretty straightforward. But I picked this up for about £1.50 at Tesco's. So if you've got old trim or it's getting oldish and it's turning grey instead of black, this is a great thing to use. Do not use it on interior pieces, it will just fuck it up. Just don't do that. So yeah, let's get on with the video. It's not going to be too long, but yeah. This is black and that is great, you can see it. So basically we want to be applying it on this and on that one, and for the rear as well. Be applying it on the rear as well because it's just a bit, just look at it, it looks ugly. So yeah, I'm gonna get that sorted. We need to clean this off first and then wipe it down. Make sure that it's completely dry. I literally just washed this car, so it shouldn't be too bad, but she's completely dry. Get it all. And yeah, now I'm gonna spray it on the cloth because so I'm gonna spray it on the cloth because it might be easier. So this is how you do it. Cool. Yeah. It's so awkward filming in public, bro. It's weird. This is my area as well. No one knows I do this. So. And this, you know, it's turning a bit more black, like just get more bits. It might be easier to just spray it on it, so it's better. But let's just spray it on it. So it's not exactly black. It looks so much better, like a lot better. It actually works. I'm actually surprised it works, but yeah, it should be waterproof. It should last a long time, but I'm just gonna keep doing it because I want it to keep it shine. It's not exactly black, but can you see the difference? So that's darker than that one. But yeah, let me show you. So I'm gonna do this side and leave this side so you can see the difference. So you just have a few more sprays. Do not spray it on the glass, just keep spraying the plastic. Cool. See the difference? So that's it sprayed, that's it not sprayed. Then just tap it up a bit. So yeah, here it is. So as you see in the video, the overall my thoughts of this is pretty good. I wouldn't say back to black because it didn't really turn it black, it just turned it, it gave it a wet finish, like basically tire shine for plastics. That's what this is. But yeah, it's pretty good. pretty good. But yeah, if you ever want to bring your plastics back to black or back to how it looks, then I would suggest this. This is £2.50 or £1.50 depending on where you go, but the one in my area was £1.50 and it's all on sale. They had about 100 cans there, so I was like, I just thought, bruh, man, I'll pick up a chat. Boom. I'm happy with I'm happy with the results. So yeah, thanks for tuning into this video. I will be uploading more. I do have something in the pipe works going on, so stay tuned. If you like the video, just like, comment, subscribe, and with that being said, have a good day.